What's up, everybody? Let me talk to you about this beautiful piece of equipment right here. This is my 2018 KTM 85SX, and this is my new minimoto, supermoto, kart track, small track, track bike, training bike ripper. This bike is fast, it's light, it's nimble, and I've got to say it was missing one part. That one part is this beautiful CNC'd machine goodness that is known as the peg riser. This is an FRJ exclusive. This was designed and created by yours truly with the help of Devin, who is a local boy here who is a madman behind a CNC machine, and he helped my dreams become a reality. The issue we had with this bike was when you would lean this bike over to get your knee down, you ran out of ground clearance like that. The second issue that I had is you could not weight the pegs to get your butt off the seat and transition left to right in a very quick manner. I don't have that big of an inseam, so the issue was even more magnified with me on it. This bike was too good. I couldn't just sit back, refuse, and let this small inconvenience limit me and others from enjoying this bike. So we went in the lab, aka the garage in North Georgia, and drew a handkerchief blueprint. Took some cardboard, cut it out, I made it beautiful. Devin, he printed out a 3D model of what I drew, and it was close. We had to make a couple adjustments, add a few more holes for the pegs, and voila. We've got 5 different levels of adjustment, ranging from 13 millimeters above stock, for those of you that want to keep that stock height, but you just want to run aftermarket pegs, all the way up to the highest position, which is what it's in currently, at 54 millimeters. You've got 3 more holes in between that. It doesn't, with it mounted, it doesn't move it too far forward, too far back. It's very centralized to the stock peg location where your foot would be. You would have thought it was engineered by someone with a degree. Hint, it's not. One of the coolest things I think about this kit that I wanted to incorporate is if you were to wreck, and I've ran this in plenty of times when running mini bikes, if you wreck and you bend or break your rear set, you normally have to take the whole thing off to change a peg. Not with this design. You can buy any of your M10 1 1/4 thread bolts from the hardware store, and you can fit a wrench in there and literally take this peg off without taking the entire peg riser assembly off. Which even then, if you had to, for whatever strange reason, because you didn't want to buy some bolts with the hex on it, it's a 17 millimeter, you've got plenty of room, it's super easy to take off. I mean, you wreck, you replace a peg in less than 5 minutes, and you're back out on track in no time. Man of the box and the gang, we were out at the Heron compound, obviously just having a good time, but it gave me an opportunity to ride this bike with these peg risers and really determine if it was going to work or not. A couple of things that I was concerned about was being able to put my feet on the gear selector. That ended up not being an issue because it had the adjustability to bring this up enough to where it's perfect. You've got plenty of room. And literally in the time we were talking, I've installed this part. So when you put it on there, this is actually designed to where it fits up. I hope you guys can see it, but if not, I'll put some footage right here. Where this peg, the fulcrum point on the bolt, it allows it to get stopped in this notch right here. So you're gonna put all the weight in the world and it's not gonna move. The crew at MNNTHBX were kind enough to throw this part up on their website and sell it to you guys, so I don't have to create all this magical Salesforce marketplace and sell it on Facebook and ask if this is available for the 5 millionth time. MNNTHBX is going to get you squared away, and you can get the option with woodcraft pegs, which is what I got on it, or you can get driven pegs. Shoot, you can get it without the pegs and run any 10 millimeter peg that you want. Any questions about this peg riser, be sure to leave a comment down below. You can reach out to me in my personal email. Any questions you have for MNNTHBX, reach out to them. All the contact and the links for this stuff is going to be down in the description below. But guys, I promise you, if you want to up your riding game and you've got an 85SX, a TC85, an MC85 from GASGAS, and this is going to transform your riding and take you to the next level, because you don't have to over exaggerate your body positioning to put this bike more upright so you get more ground clearance. This bike is officially the baddest ripper. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you've got any suggestions on parts I should make for this bike that you would love to see. But until next time, ride safe, have fun, and I hope to see you guys on the track. Peace.